Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute heart. Let's start drawing. At the beginning, I am going to draw a heart like this. It is really easy. And a beautiful bow on it. I am going to draw a cute face for our heart. I draw two pretty eyes. Good job! And a smiling mouth. Now I am going to use this black marker to make this drawing more beautiful and lovely. Coloring for her mouth, I use red color. And some gray. Now I am going to color it with red. And yellow. I am going to use rainbow color for this heart. On the top I use green. And then I use orange. I color the third strip with yellow. Then I use purple. Finally, I use red color. I love it! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.